Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the three buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Then we have to go to the display and find the option which is called navigation bar. So let's tap. As you can see right here, we've got two different options. Obviously I've got the gestures set right now, but let's pretend I've got the buttons. Of course, the path to get to the navigation bar options is the same regardless of the actual navigation bar. So before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to the buttons and the option more options, because here you can customize the buttons. You can reorder the back button and the recents, so it's of course up to you. And to set the gestures, simply tap on this option, swipe gestures, and of course instead of the three buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can tap on more options, and here you can change the gesture sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It depends on whether you're using the case or you're playing games, etc. So it's totally up to you. And now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. In order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center, just like that. If we can see this arrow, we can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, but make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your fingers somewhere here, so elongate the gesture. And after releasing, here we've got them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.